All right, we are very excited to test the very first, the onlyest, the most amazingest retro style coppers, skateboards by Madrid, Huntington Beach, California. So basically, we made these DIY version of these, and then we were skating them, and then we took them in here, and then this girl was like, you know that they make those, right? And we were like, no. And then she was like, yeah, Madrid skateboards. And now, wait, hold up. Is that how it's supposed to work? It's on there. Wait, how are these spinning? And this one's not.
So that those don't come off?
No, it's like really on there, really. But I got those 775 trucks, you know what I'm saying?
You gotta loosen this wheel.
Oh boy. I mean, we could switch these up on different people's boards though. So I know everybody wants to skate the 775, but look at that. Look at that. That is something else.
That's good. That's good construction right there.
That is pretty sick, isn't it?
Whoa, no.
Oh, sorry, kid. Sorry, they looking so good. Okay, we got these, I don't even know what you call them, like augmented truck reality. So every now and then it's like slides over and it doesn't, like pinches the wheel. I think we might need to use some bigger trucks, somebody else's skateboard. But the first thing I want to test is the weight differential. Can I kickflip? Yes. Now, the grindage.
Oh, no.
How? It didn't break, but it pulled off and it just like dragged the wax. Remember how good the PVC pipe grinded? This is like the exact opposite. How did that not grind well?
Dude, when you slid these on, they literally looked like they had so much potential.
I still think they do. I think, Uzi, give me your board. Let's try your board. But these are made specifically for this. What size are your trucks?
I don't know. I think they're meant for 8.
Oh yeah, you got lots of room, where I got like no room. See how much room he's got in between? And maybe I need to like push it more that way so it's flatter. Okay, I stand corrected. That grinds good, boy. Wow, buttery. All right, check it, Gabe. It's scraping a bit.
Interesting. Wow!
I think it probably slid more than the metal would, but...
What do you mean probably? He literally chose this because it's not waxed. Now the rail maybe.
But like, you can't lock in, so it's...
Oh,
no.
Yeah, you're golden.
No. I'm very glad I didn't try that.
Uzi, you could 50 this.
Hey, what could go wrong, Dan?
I know. Do a Smith.
We don't know.
It's a little loose on your guy.
yours very well.
No, I don't... Oh.
No, that's good.
No, it's not.
It's only pushing down. It's not gonna pop off. Famous last words.
This is what the homegirl was talking about the other day?
Yeah.
These are sick. You think you still get pinched?
I mean, DIY, I think I made my own for about $4. How much were these? What did you just do?
No, you stepped on my foot when I tried to step.
$15 maybe?
I'm truly scared. I'm gonna do front Smith.
Think about this. Hey, think about this.
That's good, do it.
Hey, Nigel, get your prints on the rail.
They don't lock? Nothing.
Man.
Yes, one thing missing.
Aaron,
Snapped it right off.
if they continue to fall off like this, I will rank your DIY version up here just the same as these, man.
Well, let's see what they feel like on the Glow Border board.
We got the same trucks, I think, though.
Look at that groove. What in the world? No wonder you're locking in.
Oh.
Someday you'll get new trucks and you'll be stuck.
Yeah, you're right.
That's what sucks about new trucks.
That's why I haven't had new trucks in a while.
That's when I lost my board in Sacramento. I was so upset. It made me cry.
Oh. I can't pinch.
Wait, you gotta go that way, not the hardest way. Okay, retro truck coppers white. These were $12.95. It does feel good, right? On the ledge, it's prime time.
Feels pretty good, but
Tell us the truth.
normal trucks were still grind better. I don't know why, because
You like the way they feel. Maybe you're used to it.
let's try one more.
I mean, we keep getting these products lately, and we're just trashing them. We're trying to give the honest reviews, but I guess it is what it is.
You can't crook it. I don't think you could crook. I'll explain it to you. So, with the normal truck, this wheel, when you lock on a rail, protects you from it slipping. Then you slap these bad boys on, you got no protect. You got nothing.
They're retro.
What's that mean? They're OG?
Really? It's just preference though. Do you use protection?
Of course. What's that mean? I'll do another 50.
Uzi had the good test. He said, grind something that won't grind like the wood.
I don't want to mess up our nice, beautiful ledge, but
It looks like you slid.
He did slide.
where are they using these at?
I have no idea. They're just
Can we
retro.
pull up a YouTube video?
They didn't have one. They don't even have reviews.
They gotta have it.
This is the first YouTube video, dude.
Yeah, you're
I
right.
know the real tech. We grind the other side of the box.
If you look them up, the only video is some dude making DIY ones with PVC.
Really?
Yep.
Okay, no wax, no metal, all wood. Will it grind?
I'm gonna correct you there. Don't you mean, would it grind?
Would it grind?
We'll PVC about that.
Okay. Right here, Cruz, this is for you. I'm getting some buttery barrel flips lately.
You've been plasticking them.
You, dang correct.
Quit recycling those jokes, Aaron. Can we do a control test without them on first?
Good idea.
I like the way you think. Very scientific, Gabe. Thank you.
Bill Nye the Science Guy.
Bill.
Bill.
Yep. Oh!
Apparently he missed it. Wow. Now just go like 5,000 times faster when you have these on.
No, no, no. This is a test. We must make sure that all variables are the same.
Like that, push, push down.
Are you sure?
Other way, Dan.
Yeah.
Come on, Dan.
Come on, buddy.
I never seen these things before.
Why are you? It's not that funny.
Hey, this is like the third time he put these on, okay? I never even looked at them.
Aaron, it's not that funny.
You're right, I'm sorry.
It's not that funny. It's hilarious.
I think I missed.
Wow!
It either grinded really well or he missed. Okay. Okay, hold on. Okay, the one that I put on is still on there. The one that you put on is falling off. I think it's the angle of it. Because you're right. Oh, and this one is cracking.
No, is it?
Yeah, look, right there.
Oh.
I think it's when he put it on backwards. Here, try it now. We literally break everything.
Oh no, that was pretty good. Oh, come on, dude.
But it did grind. You cannot deny that it did not grind, because it did.
That was a little less encouraging.
Okay, it works, but not practically. Like, you're gonna put your trucks back on after every truck.
Why do they fall off?
It's because he broke it, putting it on backwards. He forced it on backwards and broke her in half. Because that one's working just fine. Okay, is this your nose or tail?
So,
Give me a nose grind.
I'm gonna get body.
No, you won't.
Weird. I'll try another one.
Describe it.
Like, I felt like I don't know what my board was doing. I think it's because it can't lock in.
You grinded a lot, and let's see if we can get some grooves.
I think when the board can lock in, I feel comfortable, and then this.
That was bad karma. He's literally like rolling up to it. I broke my elbow on back nose grind.
Can we put that sound effect over his fall, please? Oh! That was karma.
It is water death over here.
1.5 on the invention scale.
Wow.
Really, it's that bad? How does it compare to the spray-on grip tape?
Okay, no, not the invention scale, but,
That was a
but do
0.
you mean like you rate these a 1.5 as they are, like as an invention, or like just how they perform as an invention?
Across the board, brother, they're getting a 1. First of all, every grind you do, you're gonna have to go pick them up.
No, that's because it's broken.
Could
That's not
fall
fair.
off while you're gonna go lock in, and then you're just in random mode. You don't know what's gonna happen.
Aren't you always in random mode?
Yeah, but I like landing on things that I know what's gonna happen. I don't like landing going, whoa!
You're so random that you like less
Yeah,
random
I
here.
need predictability.
Oh, okay, yeah.
This
good
has
point.
scramble mode.
Should we take him away from him before he gets hurt?
Yeah.
Give me those.
They kind of stayed better on. than
Can I
the homemade
do one
ones.
test on him, Aaron?
What?
I just have one thing I need to try.
What?
Just one.
Just a simple question. The question is what?
One thing.
Give her a test, Cruz.
Just have one test that we need to conduct right now and
Yeah.
see if they're actually worth it.
Yeah, please. $12.99.
Did I just break your board?
Don't disgrace my piece of wood like that.
Break it?
Gabe, you dropped something.
No, it actually is cracked. Well, I mean, yeah, they work.
That was.
Can I get one more?
Of course you could.
Give it again. We ain't getting no Black Ninja controversy on that varial flip.
This ain't feeling nice, Aaron. I like your board, dude.
775, you got a run,
Like
mate.
a really solid board. It's making me love varial flips even more.
Those things are flying everywhere.
Okay, cool.
Bro, what is going on?
You can't do an analysis without a grind.
Fell off right here.
Give your analysis. Now that you're a grinder.
Make it stop.
Whoa! Uh-oh, he put the phone down. It's okay, he's got Twitter on his watch. You got that?
Yeah, I got it.
Papa Gabriel. Woo!
Gather my thoughts. I think I get exactly what Glow was saying. Because
Like
when
what?
you go on trucks and you're grinding on trucks, you really feel like you're one with your skateboard, right? You feel the connection, feel that feeling to the ground. And with these, it just feels like there's like a layer that like makes it not feel as like you're skating, like you're just kind of like going. So they work, but yeah, they don't feel as good.
Okay, let me get on this. Now they're both falling off. Well, if you do get these, make sure you don't have 775 trucks.
What's your honest opinion about them?
Well, I think they're sick because they're retro. No, just kidding. If you have these and you're trying to do tricks, like it does grind really, really well. If there was like one specific spot that you were like, I can never grind this, and you got these and you were just trying to do a 50-50, they might serve a purpose. And it makes me wonder, were these originally set up for like mini ramps or pools or something like that? Maybe this is never meant to be ridden on the streets or anything like that at all. An artifact from the 80s, just like me. All right, let us know what product you would like us to test next. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. We'll see you in the next one. And these videos are all made for you, yes you, to learn how to ride a skateboard. We hope you're having fun out there. We'll see you in the next episode.